Today we'll show you how a genuine STIEBEL ELTRON heat pump is made here in the heart of Germany.
Our high degree of vertical integration guarantees the high quality and end-to-end expertise in further product development and failure analysis. We only source components from external partners if they are truly specialized in these, and we can't achieve better results ourselves.
Before final assembly of the appliances here in our highly advanced production facility in North Rhine-Westphalia, our plants in Lower Saxony and Hesse produce the relevant components. Everything starts with the sheet metal.
The sheet metal is picked up and processed fully automatically by the punch press and laser machine. Next, a robot takes care of the bending process. The mounting plate is now recognizable. Colleagues then screw the feet into place and rivet the internal bracing. Next, we move into the paint shop, where the sheet metal parts are suspended. Over a 2.5-hour process, they are cleaned, dried and then traveled through one of our powder stations. The nozzles automatically apply the required color. The surface is hardened in the oven. Once the mounting plate has cooled down, our colleagues remove it again and check the quality with their trained eye.
We start our assembly line in the final production stage with the floor panel. First, the evaporator is fitted and screwed into place. Another component that we build ourselves at STIEBEL ELTRON.
We start with rolls weighing several tons. Copper pipes are cut to the right length and shaped fully automatically. Louvers are punched out of aluminum strip in a press. Our employees assemble the copper pipes and louvers. Next, a machine ensures a positive fit connection. In-house evaporator production is a rarity for a heat pump manufacturer. The evaporator is the heat exchanger between the outer air and our refrigerant, and therefore extremely important for the heat pump. This key component we produce and develop ourselves. The last step involves robots assembling and soldering 180-degree bends fully automatically. Our skilled workers solder other assemblies by hand. Finally, every evaporator undergoes final testing.
The evaporator and other pipe assemblies are soldered together in the final production. Our leak test guarantees that all connections are correct up to this point. Once the green light is given, the previously installed components are insulated and the heat pump is wired. We also manufacture the most important electronic assemblies ourselves. Let's take a look at our PCB production in Holzminden. We are here at the STIEBEL ELTRON Group's central electronics production facility. We manufacture the electronics for our heat pumps ourselves in Germany, instead of importing them from Asia. This keeps us close to development and offers us to respond to demand flexibly. The PCBs are automatically equipped with tiny capacitors and processors by several machines and checked visually over and over again. Once everything is correct, the PCBs pass through a reflow oven. Here, the solder paste is heated according to a precisely defined temperature time profile. After the soldering process, we have a finished SMD assembly every 20 seconds. Larger components are attached by hand. During the subsequent wave soldering process, the tin bubbles from underneath onto the PCB and attaches all parts in a very short time. All fully equipped assemblies undergo a two-stage check of their resistance values, capacities and software versions.
Once all assemblies have been installed, the entire heat pump is put through its paces. Our test beds simulate various operating conditions. Then, only once everything is right, comes the final step: the casing around the appliance.
The high-quality air discharge grills in our latest heat pump range are made from fine granulate. We build the most visually important parts in our specialized plastics plant in Eschwege, Hesse.
Once the side panels have been fitted, our logo goes on the heat pump, so that everyone knows who is responsible for this quality work. Every heat pump that leaves our factory embodies the dedication and skill of our employees, and has done so for over 50 years. Made in Germany.